In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gmail on your desktop for Windows. This simple process will make accessing your Gmail as convenient as opening any other app on your computer. So let's get started on this quick and easy setup. First, you're going to want to open your Gmail account using your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Once you've successfully logged in, ensure you're at the main Gmail inbox screen. Being at the right starting point will make the process much smoother and will help avoid any unnecessary navigational issues as we proceed. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser. Here you'll see three vertical dots. This is commonly referred to as the More Options menu, or sometimes just the menu icon. Clicking on this icon is going to open up a drop-down menu presenting you with various options. This little step is a gateway to a multitude of features that allow you to customize your browsing and user experience. Hover your mouse over the options and navigate to the section that includes casting, saving, and sharing features. While casting or sharing might not directly apply to what we're doing today, it's good to familiarize yourself with these for future reference. This section will provide you with the capability to manage content efficiently, reinforcing the flexible nature of using web applications like Gmail. Now within that segment, look for an option that says Install Site as an app, or something similar depending on your browser. Clicking on this is a pivotal step in the process. What it essentially does is prepare your computer to recognize Gmail as its own standalone application, separating it from the confines of the web browser. Once you click to install the page as an app, you'll be presented with a prompt. This usually asks for confirmation and might give you a bit of information about what will happen next. Simply click on the Install button to begin the installation. It's a straightforward process, and rest assured it won't require you to download any additional software or third-party applications. And that's it, Gmail is now set up as a desktop app on your Windows computer. You can launch Gmail just like you would any software application directly from your desktop or start menu without needing to manually open your web browser first. This will not only save you time, but also makes it easier to stay connected to what matters most. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it brings a bit of convenience to your daily routine. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.